Okay, and so we're back. Try nating mag-video habang nagbe-breakfast. Hmm, ang tawag dito? Mukbang? I feel like celebrating. You know why? Tatandaan ko tong petsan to, July 7. Sa wakas, hindi na nag-email ng bad news ang Amazon sa akin. Meaning to say, pumasa na ang aming material for the book cover, yung para sa pocketbook, yung sa paperback. Nanay ko, after kong danasin to, parang ayoko naman trabahuin ng hardbound. Gusto ko bang may hardbound? Subukan natin, di ba? Pero pahingihin niyo muna ang puso ko dahil inabot ako ng how many weeks na stress. Nakaka-tense, ha? Dahil hindi lang siya, nakaka-stress sa, alam mo yun, nagwo-worry ka eh, baka hindi ka, I needed printed books dahil ibibigay ko nga yun sa mga homeless centers, therapy places ng Canada. Kaya nga yung book ay hindi siya simple, siya ay a book with a mission. Para yun sa mga may mental health issues na hindi alam kung anong gagawin. So, kung mababasa nila yung libro, they will find out that pain is a normal thing. Hanggat humihinga ka while you're still breathing, you will suffer. You will experience pain. You will be disappointed. You will experience resentments. You will be turned off. Ay, nako. You will be heartbroken. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, at the age of 13, namatay ako inside. I died inside. I lost my drive, my willingness to see the beauty of life. Namatay yun. It died because of a real deep heartbreak. Once na meron kang deep desire, tapos hindi mo nakuha and you suffer through the years, it can destroy you. And then, but life is like that. And then it doesn't stop there. You should not think right away of killing yourself or ending it. No, it's wrong. Have you seen a cat or any animal that was disappointed and then decided to to destroy themselves, to end their lives? No, it's rare. You will not, right? Because nature, life by itself, wants to go on. That's the what they call this. That's the essence of life. It wants to stay existing. It wants to exist and enjoy the present. So the only way you can have that is to experience that God is real, that He will come and will show you the way. And the way out of this really ugly life is Jesus. He is truly the gift of the Father to us. It is the way out, the only way out. Remember, in the Bible, He said, I am the way and the truth. And it's true. He is the way. When I was really thinking of ending it at a very young age, He came and He said, you've been, you're tired, you're fed up, you want to give up, my turn. Meaning to say, He's taking my life and He will live it for me. You want that? That is possible. That happened to me. And I was 22 then. So try Jesus. He's the only way out. He is the way out of this ugly life, and He will give you a more meaningful, exciting life. Try Him. Try Jesus. He's real.